in, Ryder. Good chase. Yes, Fred in again. Go, Fred. Oh, my God. Fred, just come off.
He's a retard. Yo, this is what I'll score. That 22 rapid.
What?
Oh my days. That's not a good try. No, that's not. We'll probably do last one.
Hey, next job then, move on. Next job. Go on the outside then. Just stay connected in the fence, yeah? Stay connected. Yeah, okay, isn't it? Don't stay connected.
What in front?
Open the space down.
Jake, drop and then run onto it. Good, that's fine, Jake. That's fine.
Oh, how are we going to eat these?
Tail in there.
Huh?
You got a video.
Tail him again. Step out, keep the ball, step out. Spencer, keep the ball alive. Spencer, keep moving that ball. Get up, get up. Shuffle over, shuffle over.
Go on, Eve, have it.
Run out, spread out, run out, spread. Good, good, up we go, up. Carry, mate. Shuffle over. Good. Up together. One. Yes, Jake. Nice. Shuffle over there, shuffle over there. One mark. Up together, Millsy, up together, get in the line. Alright, so Jay, let's get you boys on. Alfie, you're coming on. Jay. Yeah, straight stop. Take the one there. You do that. Okay. Alfie, go to the line. Position. Who's playing 9 at the moment? Freddie. You come on 9 for Freddie next break. Positions are open on us. Wing and Chris.
Well, I actually want to play.
And wing. Get on, boys, get on. Get on, go get him. Where's Freddie? Freddie!
What do you mean? He's bigger than you.
Boys, give him a ball.
Go reload, go with back.
Fix him. Keep it alive, keep the ball, keep it alive. Get connected.
Pushing you up, boys.
That's fine, we got numbers.
Good, Mace.
Good, keep it alive, good.
That's it, boys.
He's missed.
Let's go, let's go.
He's literally
Hands left. Keep it alive, keep it alive.
down the ball.
Drop for him.
That's it, get that.
Do you want one of these or? Max. Max.
Yeah, I know, but I mean, if it was just like.
Stay on it, mate. That's it.
Go,
Well
Ross.
done. Get with him. Close leg, close leg.
Have the ball down there. Wait! No, he's not put it down. Yeah, my God. We got a lot of work for that. It's got to be a big jump. You're like a Truman Show. Yeah. It's just like, it's all, yeah, it's all for you.
You're on this?
Who's gone on for?
Bring it forward. He's getting forward.
I think I'd actually rather just sign English. I think I'll wait to leave the count with the big roundabout. I actually think I'd rather do that. Nah, if it like if it bounces in the 10, it's fine. But once it's touched, it's like a true shot. I guarantee it's like a hole. It's a big plot. We're not actually real good at that.
Mark! Mark!
I think that's it now, is it?
That time.
Thank Christ. I'm talking about misery.
Let's grab the waters, boys. Grab the waters.